So I'm not sure how well it's showing up on video there, but sorry, what I did there was, if you look at that one, that is the LED. No, that's a regular bulb. No, I'm sorry. That's an LED amber. That's the same, that's a different LED amber. I'm gonna put that one is the old one. I stuck one in back, put a regular bulb in that one. Anyways, I was at the junkyard today getting this tailpiece because it's all rusted out. And while I was there, I was walking by and I noticed that they had the orange, it's got the orange insert in there. So I popped them off real quick, took them. These are like brand new and they're so much oranger than that one. You can see, kinda. It's hard to tell on video, but I'm telling you, it is orange, which matches that one, which is awesome. I love that because that's got the orange on the inside too. So just a nice little, and the guy just threw them in. He didn't know what they were, so he didn't know what to charge them. I tried to tell him, so he just tossed them in there for me. Good on that guy. I don't want to get him in trouble, so I'm not going to say where I got them, but I'm sure you can imagine. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put those in, and then I got red LEDs for the brake lights. So I'm going to pop those in, we'll see what those look like too. Alright, till then. It is with the orange insert. There it is. Both installed, nice and amber. Yes. It's great, if you ask me. It's great. Alright, now to the back. Alright, so LEDs on the left, all around. Amber, red, and then white. Over there I have just a white LED in the brake on the right hand side. So that's why it looks a little orangey. This is a white LED in the brake light. And there's the red LED. It's so bright. I still haven't figured out how to set this one off. I've got a white LED in these side ones. I don't know how to set those off. So like you slam on your brakes? I don't think I would have messed up the wiring on both of them, but there it is. Amber, red, white LEDs. There's a white one in there, but I can't figure out how to turn that thing on. I do have to get another white one for up here. I'll see what I have laying around. I might be able to find something, but for now, full LED backups. Full LED rear, LED side, LED blinkers, LED fronts. I am super excited about those orange inserts. God, I would have paid 30 bucks each for those. That guy just tossed them in. But that's me, you know? Shit's worth what you're willing to pay for it. What somebody's willing to pay for it. There it is.